How to copy a Pinterest pin. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can pin or duplicate or how you can copy or duplicate your Pinterest pin. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web browser in your PC and go to www.pinterest.com. From the right hand side, click on to login and get logged into your Pinterest account. Now, in order to duplicate or copy your pin, click on to create on your top left. Here, choose a file or drag and drop it here to upload. Now, type in your title and your description. You will see this arrow icon on your left side. Click onto it. Here, you will see the draft that you just created. Click on the three-dot icon, then click on duplicate. Now, as you do so, this duplicated file will remain in your Pinterest within 30 days. And you can see that the description and title are same for both the files. So that is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos like this, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.